What's going on? Brian Tong here, and this is the Sonos Roam speaker review. This is the most portable speaker that Sonos has ever made, and it's entering a really competitive and crowded market. So the question here is, are they doing enough with the Roam to add it to your speaker rotation? Now, Sonos sent me this speaker for the purposes of this review. And if we look at the design, the Roam is like this sleeker and super portable addition to their speaker family. With its bigger brother, you got the Sonos Move that came out in late 2019. And yeah, the Move is portable, you can carry it around, but it's not this portable. Now the Roam comes in black and white, and the best size comparison that I can give you is just about the same size as a water bottle, which really makes it easy to take with you anywhere. You could throw it into any size bag, even a man bag, and its three-side rounded kaleidoscope design feels really easy to grab and hold, but the biggest thing here is that its sound is really impressive for a speaker this size. And I know that shouldn't be a surprise coming from Sonos, but it has clear highs, which I expected, but then it's got some really nice mids and impactful bass that still surprised me coming from a speaker at this size. Now it can also hit a volume level that is louder than you'll ever need without the sound breaking down. So for audio quality in this form factor, it's already a winner in my book. Now the sound only comes from one side of the Roam, and it has this cool hexagonal pattern detail that you can see through these speaker grill perforations if the light hits it a certain way. And it can be set vertically and stand up, or you can just place it down horizontally where there are 4 rubber feet right here for that position as well. You just plop it right down. Now it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, so that allows it to connect to your home network and stream music services at home, and then also pair via Bluetooth when you're on the go. You will need to pair it to your phone with the Sonos app, but once you do that, you're gonna get all the benefits of the Sonos ecosystem. And this is really where the Roam shines, because you're gonna get access to every music service that you can think of and be able to access them all in one place through the Sonos app. You can still use the standalone apps, for Spotify, Pandora, Apple Music, and more, but having them all in one place through the Sonos app for really fast access to your music, that's always gonna be great. Now this also supports AirPlay too, so you can send music to compatible Apple products. It also has a mic in here, so this supports voice control for both Alexa and the Google Assistant, and then you can get all those benefits. Another major ecosystem benefit here is, let's say if you're on the same Wi-Fi and you own multiple Sonos speakers, you can group speakers to play in sync with each other. Now we know that this is a feature that Sonos users have had for years, but you can also create a stereo pair with 2 matching Sonos speakers, or you can just group specific speakers in a specific room together. And I mean, this is just another really cool idea that I dig. You could have it being part of a group of speakers at home, and then when you want to go somewhere, you just grab it. It becomes a Bluetooth speaker when you're away from home, but then when you get back, you just kind of pop it back in that group, and it's part of that group of speakers again. You're gonna also have the option to take advantage of its True Play tuning that calibrates its sound output based on the environment it's in to really give you the best sound, whether you have it in a room or it's playing outside. It's gonna do the calibration for you automatically. And this was just another reminder for me that companies with a really powerful ecosystem can bring you benefits that you just can't find anywhere else. And then the Sonos ecosystem has just built an impressive one year over year with real benefits. Now here on the back, you can charge it via USB-C. It also comes with a USB-C cable. And then Sonos says that you will get a 10-hour battery life with normal use, but using it about a 50% volume level, somewhere around 40 to 50%, I was able to get above 12 hours, so it delivers there. They also sell a Sonos Roam wireless charger separately. If you want that option for $49, you just put it on top, wirelessly charges it from this base here. On this top side, the Roam has physical rubberized buttons on this top to pause or play music. You also have the ability to advance tracks. You can adjust the volume level up or down, and then turn the mic off or on for the smart speaker when you want to use it in that way. And this thing though was also made to be ultra portable with its IP67 rating that is waterproof up to 3 feet for 30 minutes underwater. Now it's also dustproof and drop resistant, so this thing can survive the elements pretty well. The Roam retails for $169, and there are really so many established options in this portable speaker space right now that, it might feel like Sonos arrived too late to the game. And then you have speakers at this size for $169. I mean, that's really gonna be on the higher price of the market. But then Sonos does what Sonos does, and it's got a clean design, portability, excellent sound for its size. These are already at a really high level. But where the Roam really takes off is with the Sonos app and then its ecosystem. And there's that E word, because it's really becoming one of the most important features in tech that takes something like this portable speaker to another level with all these features that speakers in its class just don't have. And I'm not even in the Sonos ecosystem, and the Roam is still a winner for me. Its design, portability, and sound quality, I love it. This is also the perfect size for someone like me who wants to take it on the go, loves to go out, and hey, if I'm gonna go to the beach, I'm gonna grab something like this. But then you add all of its Sonos exclusive features, the ecosystem benefits, and that becomes just the icing on the cake. Now, if you're already in the ecosystem and you're looking for a travel speaker, look, the Sonos Roam, this is a no-brainer, and if you're not, this is still gonna be a great pickup.